In the intricate dance of project management, financial oversight is a non-negotiable partner. Every project, regardless of its scale or objective, carries financial implications that need meticulous tracking, analysis, and reporting. This is where specialized financial management software plays a pivotal role, and Sage Intacct emerges as a leading cloud-based solution. But what exactly is Sage Intacct used for? Let's break down its functionalities in simple terms, making it easy for anyone, whether a seasoned project manager or someone eager to learn, to grasp its significance. At its heart, Sage Intacct is a sophisticated cloud accounting and financial management software designed for growing businesses and organizations. Unlike basic accounting software that might handle fundamental bookkeeping, Sage Intacct offers a comprehensive suite of tools that extend far beyond simple debits and credits. It's about providing a holistic view of an organization's financial health, empowering informed decision-making, and streamlining complex financial processes. One of the primary uses of Sage Intacct is to manage the core financials of a business. This includes the essential functions you'd expect from an accounting system, but with greater depth and automation. General ledger. This is the central hub where all financial transactions are recorded and categorized. Sage Intacct's intelligent general ledger goes beyond basic data entry, offering features like dimensional accounting. Dimensions allow you to tag transactions with various attributes relevant to your business, such as department, project, customer, or location. This enables incredibly granular reporting and analysis, providing insights that a simple chart of accounts can't offer. For example, a project manager can easily see all expenses associated with a specific project, broken down by cost type and department. Accounts payable, AP managing what your organization owes to others is crucial. Sage Intacct automates the AP process, from vendor invoice entry and approval workflows to payment scheduling and disbursement. This reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and helps ensure timely payments, fostering better vendor relationships. Imagine a project with numerous subcontractors. Sage Intacct can help track invoices from each, manage payment terms, and process payments efficiently. Accounts receivable, AR tracking, and collecting payments from customers is vital for cash flow. Sage Intacct streamlines the AR process, from generating invoices and managing customer balances to processing payments and handling collections. Automated invoicing and payment reminders can significantly shorten the payment cycle. For a service-based project, Sage Intacct can generate invoices based on project milestones or time and materials, ensuring accurate and timely billing. Cash management. Having a clear view of your organization's cash position is essential for liquidity. Sage Intacct provides real-time visibility into cash balances across multiple bank accounts, facilitates bank reconciliation, and helps manage cash flow forecasting. This allows project managers to understand the financial resources available for current and future projects. Beyond these core functions, Sage Intacct shines in its ability to handle more complex financial scenarios, multi-entity and global consolidations. For organizations with multiple subsidiaries, locations, or even international operations, consolidating financial data can be a cumbersome and time-consuming process with basic accounting software. Sage Intacct simplifies this by automating intercompany transactions, currency conversions, and the consolidation of financial statements, providing a unified view of the entire organization's financial performance. A project management firm with offices in different countries can use this to get a consolidated financial picture, accounting for varying currencies and regulations. Project accounting. This is a particularly relevant feature for project-based organizations. Sage Intacct's project accounting module allows for detailed tracking of project costs, labor, materials, expenses, revenue, and profitability. It enables project managers to monitor budgets in real time, identify potential cost overruns early, and bill clients accurately based on project progress or time and expenses. This ensures project financials are tightly controlled and contribute positively to the bottom line. Revenue recognition. For many businesses, especially those with subscription-based models or complex contracts, recognizing revenue in compliance with accounting standards, like ASC 606, can be challenging. Sage Intacct automates revenue recognition based on predefined rules and schedules, ensuring accuracy and compliance. This is crucial for software as a service, SaaS projects where revenue is recognized over the subscription period. Budgeting and planning. Sage Intacct offers robust budgeting and forecasting tools that go beyond simple spreadsheets. It allows for the creation of detailed budgets, tracking performance against budget in real time, and running what-if scenarios to assess the impact of different assumptions. This helps project managers and financial teams plan resources effectively and anticipate potential financial challenges. Reporting and dashboards. Access to timely and insightful financial data is critical for informed decision-making. Sage Intacct boasts powerful reporting and dashboarding capabilities. Users can create customized reports and real-time dashboards to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, analyze trends, and gain a clear understanding of financial performance across the organization or for specific projects. A project manager can have a dashboard showing the budget burn rate, project profitability, and outstanding invoices for their projects. Furthermore, Sage Intacct is a cloud-based platform, offering several advantages. Accessibility. Users can access the system from anywhere with an internet connection, facilitating collaboration and remote work. Scalability. The software can easily scale as your business grows, accommodating increasing data volumes and complexity. Automatic updates. Being cloud-based means that software updates and maintenance are handled by the vendor, reducing IT overhead. Integration capabilities. Sage Intacct can integrate with other business systems, such as CRM, customer relationship management, and payroll software, creating a seamless flow of data across different departments.